Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time step by to my channel, my name is Atinike. I just insert the beginning of the ventilating of the closure for people that have not watched the video. The full video is on my channel, you can check that out. This is a 5x6 closure, lace closure. I ventilated it myself. So the main purpose of this tutorial is for you to see how I achieved that lovely, nice, amazing looking wig without using hot water. Yes, so you can see I'm just sewing down the closure, sewing it down. Then after doing that, I'm going to crochet the hair. I'm going to crochet it at the back. So I did cut three. I did cut three for the hair. I cut the hair into three. So you can see I'm just crocheting the hair on the wig cap, tiny with tiny hair. Then I knot the hair once. I love to brush the hair as I crochet so that I would intergolate it so that it will be easy for me to work with when I finish crocheting. I started mixing the color black at the top. No need of you using the color black at the down part because it won't show if you use it at the down part. So it's when you get to the top part, you start using the color so that it will give you what it's supposed to give. The look will come out amazing. about the black color. The lace closure is going to cover the colors. So when I get to the top part, I start using hand dryer to blow the hair on medium heat. Don't make it too high. If you make it too high, it's going to it's going to damage the wig. So on medium heat, I use hand dryer, then I brush as you dry it. Brush, you can see that the hair is already, as in the look is already getting like, how will I put it, sleek look. I love when I'm working with synthetic hair. I don't like it to be shine. Like, I don't like it, I don't want it to look like a plastic on my hair. I want people to be confused, like, this is a woman hair. You understand what I'm trying to say? And do not put any product on this hair. No product, nothing, nothing. The only thing you need for you is your hand dryer. Use your hand dryer first, then brush it very, very well. The most thing I use most is the hand dryer. I didn't really, I use straightener, but not like the way I use hand dryer, you understand? So that's why I showed the slow motion. Use your hand dryer on medium heat, not high. Then you brush as you use your hand dryer. Then when I get to the tip, I just trim a little, a little. Then I use my straightener to straighten the hair. After I use my straightener to straighten the hair, I go in with hand dryer again. Man, this hair came out so soft, so, as in, the softness is something else. Just give it a try with this method. This hair was so soft. Oh my god, I don't know what to say. Just keep on watching, and please support my growth by clicking on the subscribe button, like my video. I really appreciate that so much. I really appreciate your love and support. But please and please like and subscribe for more amazing content. Thank you so much for watching. Keep on enjoying this amazing tutorial.